Hello, I Dr. Vijay Chandra Jadala welcomes you to VC Tech Education. Today, as part of Python practical series, I am going to discuss regarding comparison or relational operators. In C, generally it's called as relational operators. Here it is called as comparison operators, or sometimes it's called as relational operators. So today the topic is relational operators. Write a program to illustrate comparison or relational operators. Here, two variables are taken a and b. Int. The type of data type is integer. Input. Enter first number. So, the first number which we are going to give as input will be stored in the variable a as the data type is of integer. Next, input int input enter second number will be displayed, and the input which we are going to give will be stored in b as an integer data type. So now we are going to print these two numbers, that is enter first number, second number. Whatever we enter, the values which are stored in a and b will be displayed here by using a print statement. Print first value you entered, that is a, the value which we stored, that will be displayed here. Print second value you entered, that is b. A is greater than b if the value is a is greater than b. If it is not true, it will give false statement. If a value is not greater than b, then it will give false statement. If a value is greater than b, it will give true. So the statement which we are going to print here is print the statement a greater than b is double quotes close comma a greater than b. If a value is 5 and b value is 2, then it will print true. If a value is 2 and b value is 5, then it will print false. So this comparison operator or relational operator, if it is true, the values are true, then it will print true. If the comparison is wrong, then it will print false. So it depends upon the input which we given there. Next is less than symbol, that is a less than b is true or false. It may be either one, that is it may be a true or it may be a false. So print the statements a less than b is, then a is less than b. So if the a value is less than b, then it will print true. If the a value is not less than b, then it will print false. Next comes to the equal to symbol. That is also a part of relational operator, that is assignment. A equal to b. That means if both a and b are equal numbers, then it will print true. A not equal to b, that is exclamatory mark equal to, then it is called as a not equal to b. Sometimes greater than and less than symbol in combination also given for not equal to. So print the statement a not equal to b is double quotes closed comma a not equal to symbol b. Then if a is not equal to b, then it will say it's true. If a equal to b, then it will say it's false. So this is the another relational operator. Next, the relational operator is a greater than or equal to b is false or true. The statement a greater than b greater than or equal to b is comma a is greater than or equal to b. So this statement will give if the a value is greater than or equal to, then it will give true. If a's value is less than b value, then it will give false. And next statement is a is less than or equal to b is true or false. It may be a true or false depending upon the values which we given. Print the statement a less than or equal to b is double quotes close quotations close comma a is less than or equal to b. So if a value is less than or equal to b, it will print true. If it is not, it will print false. Then finally print statement, that is thank you VC Tech Education. So this is all about the program which is related to the relational operators. Hope you understood this concept. First is the comment which we are saying comparison or relational operators. Input values will be taken in A and B. Print value will be given, the whatever the value is there, that will be given for first value, then second value, then a comment is given A is greater than B is false or true. So printf statement, depending upon the values, it will print true or it will print false. In the same way, A is less than B. So the relational operators here we seen are A is greater than B, A is less than B, A equal to B. That means greater than, less than and equal to, then later not equal to, then later greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So the relational operators we seen here are greater than symbol, less than symbol, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Let's check the program here. After now I am going to run the program. So enter the first number. First number I am giving 7. Press enter. Second number I am giving less number 2. Then press enter. So here first value entered is 7. Second value entered is 2. The statement A greater than B is true since 7 value is greater than 2. Then A less than B is false. A equal to B is false. A is not equal to B is true. A is greater than or equal to true is B is true. A is less than or equal to B is false. Thank you, VC Tech Education. Once again we will compile with second value as greater symbol, greater number, and the first value as the lesser number. Let's check it. Again I am compiling the program. Now first value I will give 2. Second value I will give 7. Now let's see. So the A greater than B is false. So previously what we given, that we reverse given the output also in the same way. The A greater than B is false, then A less than B is true. A equal to B, that is false. A is not equal to B, it's true. A is greater than or equal to B, it's false. A is less than or equal to B, it's true. So this is the second input which we given, and we will go for the third input where we will give equal numbers. First number is equal and second number is equal. Let us check it. Let me run the program. First number is 5. Second number is 5. So A is greater than B is false. A is less than B also false. A equal to B is true. A is not equal to B is false. A is greater than or equal to is true. A is greater than or equal to B is true. So this is all about the relational or the comparison operators. So thank you. Thanks a lot for thanks a lot. Hope you all understood well. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching this particular session. In next session we will discuss regarding one more operator, that is the logical operator. Thank you.